Very good evening, friends, and in this video we are going to talk about another powerful tool offered by the Python PyQt5 GUI library, and that is called Dialog Box. Now you have seen different kind of dialog box. In this dialog box, it will pop up one input dialog box, and then you will now first let me go one by one. First, I'm creating an object of Q push button. There I write click me. So the button will have a features click me on it, and then it is clickable definitely. If you click it, then a pop-up and dialog box will come up, and it will have a line edit and two buttons on it. And if you just feed some information and then click, then that information will be displayed into another line edit, because this application will have one button and one line edit. So I'm using absolute layout in this case, and then button dot move 100, that is the position of that button. And now I connect one triggering event or the clicked event with this. So button dot clicked dot connect self dot my dialog. This is a function which I'll be designing just a few seconds later. So the self dot my text, this is a line edit text. So Q line edit, and its name is my text, and the button name is btn. So two elements it has, one button at the position 100, and text on it is click me, and then we have one line edit, its name is my text, and then it will also placed is 100 comma 160, guys, just like the just below the button. And then when you click on the button, a pop-up window, or you can say a dialog box, will pop up, and that dialog box will have a text line edit where you can write a text and click on OK button. Then the whatever text you have entered will be placed into the line edit text given by the name my text. So now I create the function my dialog. So here I go. I have to fetch. So I just take two text, because text 1 and text 2. So text 1 and text 2, because on the pop-up window or dialog box you will have two text which you can receive. So I create a tuple kind of things, like the two things, one will go into the text 1, other will go into text 2. So Q input dialog dot get text self, and then it will have a tag to identify input text, and then it says second one is enter text. Enter text is whatever text you just enter there, and then the out it will return you a string, two strings. It will go into the text 1 and text 2. So if text 2 is true, if it has some value, then self dot my text dot set text text 2, string form of text 2. This is just to safeguard the interest. Say text 1 means the first element text 1 will be, so that will whatever is returning is just if the text 1. Now let me run, and then you can see in a better way. So this is click me, click on this, enter a text. Then if you enter, so just write like educraft learn, and this will go into the text 1, and then from the text 1 it will go into this my text, and this is all about this.